Hello YouTube friends and welcome to my channel. In this video I will share with you a new knife from a new company that I came across on probably AliExpress or eBay. I'm not certain of because these take a little while to get to me in the current situation, like probably everything from China. But the company is called Sixleaf. Currently they have a few knives on offer, and this one was with a Micarta handle scale, so it is called SL-02-D2. There are no markings on the box, and the packaging is similar to older style Tucson knives. So this is a collaboration with a designer called Rattlesnake. There is his maker's mark. So let me share the specification really quickly. We have an overall length of 20.5 centimeters or 8.1 inch. And the blade length is 8.7 centimeters or 3.1 inches. The blade width is 3.2 centimeters or 1.2 inches. Thickness is at 3.7 millimeters or 0.14 inches. The handle length is 12.1 centimeter or 4.7 inches, and the handle thickness without the pocket clip is 1.7 centimeters or 0.7 inches. Materials used on this one, we have a D2 blade steel with a factory belt satin finish. We have a compound ground blade, really nice at this price point. The company logo on the one side, model number, and the maker's mark. The handles are made out of we have a burlap style or Chinese micarta. Liners are stainless steel with a liner lock. Let's check out the lock. So this is really nice and sturdy. Pivot assembly, it rides on cage ball bearings. It's really nice and smooth. Perfect centering. There is also a nice finger choil implemented, so you can really nicely choke up. There is also a position for your finger. So the blade has a really beautiful, nice shape. It's something like a modified Harppon, drop point, sheep's foot. So lots of blade configurations in one. Okay, let's check the sharpness. Out of the box, really nice and sharp. It has a partial G10 backspacer. Pocket clip is once again a Tucson style deep carry pocket clip, and also they are using these domed screws. The hardware looks also like Tucson is using, but not the pivot screw. The weight comes at 150.3 grams or 5.3 ounces. These are made in China, of course. And let me show you the pocket profile. So this is how much it will stick out. The finish of the micarta is, I would say, blasted, so it is not tumbled, and has a coarse grit to it. You can see also a few pockets, so it's really porous material. One great thing about the presentation that I have experienced, the knife out of the box, like I show it to you, there is no oil seeping out from the pocket clip. Some companies do really put a lot of oil on the blade and also on the handles to probably make it safer for travel on storage, but yeah, in my book this is only good thing that they did not drench it in oil. There is also a nice wide lanyard hole. Everything is nice and smooth, so rounded, no sharp corners whatsoever. The liners are skeletonized on one side and full on the other side. Or there is a pocket. Let me check. No, there is no milled out portion on the lock side. So really interesting, this new brand that I came across, Sixleaf. So now let's compare it with a few other knives. So I have here on the table the current version of the T111 in Micarta, Burlap Micarta from Tucson. As you can see there, the pocket clip is really similar, if not the same. Also the hardware, only the pivot screw is nice milled on the Tucson and flush on the Sixleaf. The Micarta is different. You can see there is a different style of weave, and this is buffed and also a burlap style. This could be considered something between burlap and canvas, but I'd rather say it is burlap because it has a wide weave to it, but yeah. Okay, so let's see what we have here on the table. So here is the QSP Penguin and canvas Micarta, the Kaiser Pinch, which I call with the OG Chinese Micarta, which is a canvas brown style Micarta. And here is the Civivi Elementum. Cebu from Tuya Knives. Pelican from QSP. Kaiser Begleiter 2. Kubi Aries. Giant Mouse Ace Grand. Red Model 1. Burger Plus Bonfire. Buck Sprint Pro, also with a nice Burlap Micarta. Here is the large Reptilian from Benchmade. $9.40 from Benchmade. CRKT Pillar with Micarta scales. CVV rustic gent. Rough Rider Peanut. Spider Cordelica. Spider Endura. Kershaw Leak. And let's finish with K-Bar Dozier Folding Hunter. Okay, so price-wise, we're looking at around $45.59. These should be currently available on AliExpress, DHgate, and also on eBay. Maybe in some time they will be also available through other more known knife retailers around the world. Like I mentioned, I just stumbled a few weeks. It took a month to arrive, but it is what it is in the current situation. So keep that in mind if you are buying them from China. Okay. That being said, if you have any questions, please leave comments down below. I'm more than happy to reply as soon as I can. If you're a subscriber, thank you very much. Big thumbs up to you. And if you are not a subscriber, then please consider subscribing to not miss any future videos that I will be releasing. I try to release at least 3 videos per week, mostly knife and gear oriented, but sometimes other stuff regarding my other hobbies. With that being said, I'd like to wish you a wonderful day. Hope to see you soon. Stay safe. Bye.